Hey guys, this is Smriti. Welcome to my channel. Today is a very special video. We're going to talk about all that I got on the Black Friday sale, and it's quite a bit, I would say. Let's begin. There's a lot to discuss, there's a lot to talk about, and also there is a giveaway in this video, so stay tuned for that. Two people would win the giveaway. But without further ado, let's dive right into the Black Friday haul. Okay, so the first thing that I was eyeing for the Black Friday sale was for the Odin's Eye palette, and I got all the three. I just got all the three. I couldn't choose one. I have recorded already the video on this, which you might see in like a future videos. By the way, instead of me uploading 3 videos every week, this whole month I'm going to be uploading 4 videos every week. So it'll be Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, everything at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, please do support my channel. But these are the 3 palettes that I got: Giant Wolves palette, Hummingbird palette and Red Dragon palette, all in collaboration for the legendary Diversa collection. You should see the video to see my excitement for these palettes. I mean, yeah, we'll leave it for that video. Now, let's talk about Pat McGrath. In the Pat McGrath sale, I did get 2 of her lipsticks, and one is in the shade Elson and the other one is in the shade Venus in Furs. So let me just show it to you. I'm not going to definitely swatch it, but I'm going to test out everything in like future videos. This is Elson, which is like a beautiful blue toned red. By the way, I got a new phone, so I'm recording on that. Let me know, how do you find the quality? The second one is called Venus in Furs, and this is a beautiful nude, like a mauvey brown shade nude, like totally up my alley. Yeah. So I cannot wait, and I love Pat McGrath lipsticks. Like in general, her formula is absolutely divine. So when she has a sale, I get all the shades that I want. The next thing that I have to talk about is from BH Cosmetics. I did a huge order, out of which I'm going to keep 3. Rest everything is in the giveaway. Okay, so first let's talk about the blush palette. So I got this blush palette, which is called Vanilla Cream Truffle. And this is, I would say, mauvey, pinky, neutral side. So I definitely wanted to test out more blushes from the drugstore. So I'm yet to try this. But yeah, shade-wise, I am in love. The rest of the 2 palettes that I got from the sale. Spoiler alert, I already have tried this. And this is called Passion in Paris palette. And this is the newest palette in that square pan packaging from their travel series. Oh my god, I cannot even tell you how beautiful this palette is and how beautiful the color story is. This is, by the way, the eyeshadow that I'm wearing today. I'm in love, absolutely in love. And it's not even like I didn't do anything like special. I went this on the crease, I went with this and this on the inner and the outer corners, and I put this on the lid, and then I applied this. It appears to be a white shade, but it is like a white with a purple hint in my inner corners. And that's my eye look. I am in love with these like square pan packaging, you know that. So yeah, I could not. And I could not skip on the Blueberry Muffin palette because I've heard a lot of things from Angelica here on YouTube. So I had to pick it up. Although I'm not a big blue fan, but this color story and these shimmers are like so beautiful. Like it's stunning, absolutely stunning. In person, it looks more beautiful. I cannot lie. I cannot wait to test this out too, but I have no doubts in BH Cosmetics formula. Like they do stunning job in their eyeshadow department. So yeah, absolutely in love. Okay, the next thing that I had to try is the Benefit Cosmetics Porefessional Super Setter, and this is their setting spray. Cannot wait to try this one. You guys know I'm a big fan of their Benefit Porefessional Primer, so I knew that I had to try that. Now, from Ulta, I picked out a few things which I am in love with. Okay, you guys had seen this already on my channel. I picked out the Nabla Cosmetics Wild Berry palette. Oh my god. I'll link it in the eye cards above. You need to see that video. Look at that duochrome. Okay, stop. Okay, I got another Essence lipstick. You know how much I love my Essence lipsticks. And this is in the shade Bold. Another nudie pink shade. Like beautiful for like pinky tone looks. Yeah. I got a backup of my Wet n Wild eyeliner, my liquid liner, but I also got their pen format. It'll come. It's deep in the box. Apart from that, I got a bunch of Maybelline lipsticks. Okay, 3 in the crayon format and 1 more Ultimatte lipstick. Used all of them, love all of them, like superb quality. I have the shade On the Grind, Live on the Edge, Reach High in the crayon format, and I have the shade More Taupe in the Ultimatte lipstick. I already have 3 more of the Ultimatte lipsticks already with me. So this is the 4th one. So that tells you how much I love this formula. Absolutely stunning formula. Okay, then you know how intimidated I get with liquid blushes. So I thought of getting Flower Blush Bombs finally, and I got the shade Spiced and Cheeky. I've applied both of them and it is absolutely stunning on the face. It blends so effortlessly and the shade is absolutely gorgeous. A big fan of this. Oh my god, I cannot. Another thing that I got from Ulta was the Wet n Wild Breakproof Liquid Liner. I saw Steph's Beauty Stash. She raves about this eyeliner all the time on her channel. And I thought of trying it. I ordered it online. I kid you not, they sent me 3. I don't know, was that a mistake or not? Good that I like it because I absolutely loved it. I don't think it was a mistake because it was all packaged in like one box. I don't know what's up with that, or was it like a box of 3 which I ordered? I have no idea, but I was surprised. Okay, a few things that I got from M Cosmetics. They had a huge sale where their lip glosses was for like $5 each. Could I stop? No, absolutely not. Did I buy 1? No, I got 3. So I got their True Glosses because this is the formula that I did not try. All of them like nude formats, like unlike me, right? I am a big nude person if you cannot tell. So I have the shade Mochi Mochi, which is like a pale nude shade. Then I have the shade which is Secret Blush, which is more of like a cool toned pink shade. And then I have the shade Magic Hour, which is more of a peachy pink. Yet to try it, but I'm super excited to try M Cosmetics. There's nothing in their line that have like disappointed me. So I am very excited to try. From Sephora, I finally got the Mercury Retrograde palette from Huda Beauty. This is the first Huda Beauty palette that I own. And I am not disappointed. I have already done like 5 looks using this palette already on the channel because it was like on a huge discount, and then you could also stack 20% on top of that. So I thought of doing the video before I filmed the haul because I was waiting for all the things to come to do the haul. But oh my god, I've been loving this palette. I cannot even tell how much I've enjoyed that. I also got the Dior Lash Extension Mascara, so super excited to try that. Then from Sephora, I finally got my Natasha Denona Love palette. Guys, I got this for $12.50. I cannot even believe. Like, I've already done a video on this, but I am loving that I got that in such a huge discount. And the formula is so beautiful. I'm so glad this is in my collection. I also got Makeup by Mario lipstick in the shade Fanda. Oh my god. I have a love affair with this. Like, I have used this so many times already. Cannot even tell you. If you've not seen the videos are lined up because I have been like filming day after day just because my office is starting, and before that I have to like batch record a bunch of videos for you guys. So yeah, don't mind that. I also got Lancome's Tint Idol Ultra Wear All Over Concealer. Now, I don't know how is this gonna work out because I feel like the shade is a little light on me. I got the shade 215 Buff. I think this is a little light on me, but I can make it work by mixing it with other concealers, but I'll definitely try it for you guys. So, those were like my makeup things. Now, let's move on to some skincare products that I got from Ole Henriksen. They were having like a huge discount on their website, so I thought of grabbing my favorites. I got this Seeing Stars set, and this includes their Banana Bright Eye Cream, their Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream, and their Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum, out of which Vitamin C Serum is the full size, and I think this was for like $22 or $24. I thought it's an absolute steal because this by itself I think is like in 40s. That was like a steal. Yes, and another set that I got is Starry Starry Bright Glowing Skincare Essentials set. And this has their Juice Daily Cleanser, it has their Dark Spot Toner, and it also has their Sea-Rush Brightening Gel Cream, out of which Gel Cleanser is in the full size, and this set was for like $12. Is that a score? I would say yes. So those were the makeup and the skincare that I got for the Black Friday sale. The only thing that has not arrived as yet is my JD Glow shadows. Now it has been shipped, it's on the way, but I didn't want to like wait on it because I didn't have any notification when it is gonna arrive. It is actually supposed to arrive today, but I don't think that it has arrived anywhere in Georgia right now. So I thought not to wait for that, and I can do like a dedicated video on the JD Glow shadows separately. Now let's move on to the giveaway. Okay, I have a huge box. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this whole giveaway into two portions. So there'll be two winners for this giveaway. What you need to do is you need to be subscribed to this channel, like this video, comment down in the section below which is like your favorite holidays and what is your favorite thing about that holiday. For me, it's definitely Christmas, if you cannot tell. Like, you should see my house upstairs. Like, it's crazy. Okay, let's dive right into the first giveaway. So the first person would be getting this BH Cosmetics Birthstone brush set. And this is the entire brush set. It has 12-piece face brushes as well as eye brushes all together. And these brushes are like absolutely beautiful. I don't want to open this just because, you know, of the situation that we are in right now. All the handles are like birthstone coordinated. So you'll find that stone on the handles of the brush. So that is the first thing that you'll get. The second thing that you would be getting is a Z palette from Ofra along with Rodeo Drive highlighter, which is like my favorite highlighter. If you guys have been on my channel, you know that how much I love Rodeo Drive, and it is like universally flattering shade, so I definitely wanted to include that. The third thing that I wanted to include is my Benefit Cosmetics Porefessional Primer. You know how much I love this primer. Like, this is like one of my favorite primers from the high-end category for minimizing the pores, so I definitely wanted to include that too. Apart from that, I have BH Cosmetics Vanilla Peach Truffle palette, and this is another blush palette. I'll not take the plastic off, but this is how the blush palette looks. Like, beautiful color story with like pinks and peaches and nudes. So I definitely wanted to include that too. I'm also going to include a mini of Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara because I had like so many mascaras lying around and this was like not even opened, so I thought, I was like, yeah, let's put that in the giveaway. I also have Too Faced bronzer. This is the Chocolate Soleil bronzer in the shade medium, and I finally wanted to include BH Cosmetics Passion in Paris eyeshadow palette. So the same palette that I am wearing on my eyes, but of course this is like untouched. So you'll be getting that. So all those things would be for one winner. Now for the second giveaway, the second person would be getting Tanned in Tulum palette from BH Cosmetics. And this is a beautiful bronzer and highlighter palette. Like, I thought of including this, and even if you're not like big on makeup, there will be shades that are like darker for you. You can use that exceptionally for your eyeshadows too. Like, this is like absolute wonderful quality, so definitely wanted to include that. I also wanted to include Wet n Wild Color Icon palette, the 5-pan palette, and this one is in the shade Camo Flaunt, and this is more of like a cool tone palette. Like, I definitely loved the quality of these. So yeah, I'll put that in the giveaway. Then I have Too Faced Pineapple Paradise Strobing Bronzer and Highlighter Duo. So this comes with like half pan of bronzer and half pan of the highlighter. And then I thought of including ELF's Poreless Putty Primer also in this giveaway as a primer option. For the mascara, I wanted to give Benefit Cosmetics Bad Girl Bang Mascara. And for another eyeshadow palette, I have Flower Power palette from BH Cosmetics, and this is another beautiful color story of like pinks and purples and neutrals. You guys know how much I love my purple, so I definitely wanted to include that. So that was my giveaway portion. Definitely enter the giveaway. The giveaway would be US only. I know there's a lot of people who watch my videos from India too. When I'm going to India, which I would in the next year, I would do a separate giveaway for you guys. But right now I wanted to stay inside US realm just because it costs me a lot when I'm like shipping things outside US. So yeah, definitely enter the giveaways, I would leave everything in the description box below for you guys to enter. And I'll close this giveaway on January 4th. That is my anniversary date. So I always do these giveaways around Christmas and I close it on January 4th. I'll declare the winners on my Instagram as well as in the comment section below, and I'll pin it who are the winners. Definitely leave your Instagram handle or your Gmail wherever I can reply to you that you are the winner. But yes, that's all for today, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this haul and the giveaway portion. If you did like this, do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post next. I generally upload 4 videos every single week for this December month, every Monday, Tuesday, Thursdays and Saturdays. But until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.